Our next story is about a global research-based pharmaceutical company. They're providing a rich environment for veterans who are able to use their military training in leadership, collaboration, and commitment to their civilian job. AbbVie values those who can work under pressure, display quick thinking, and who are able to lead. They openly embrace these qualities in our veteran population.
AbbVie, a global research-based biopharmaceutical company with a workforce dedicated to developing new medicines. They know military veterans have the values, skills, and creativity to help them succeed.
My father was a World War II veteran, something that kind of instilled in me a desire to serve. I had a good friend of mine who was interested in going to Annapolis, the Naval Academy, and so I started looking at the military academies as an option. I was talking to my mother the other day, and she still remembers the day we were in the car. I blurted out, well, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to West Point. And so I put all my energy and efforts into doing that somewhere around 11th grade. So I went to West Point, entered in 1979, graduated in 1983, and I spent 8.5 years on active duty. When I got out, I became a pharmaceutical sales rep. I stayed in the military with the National Guard for 22 years, and throughout that time, AbbVie has just been a tremendous partner, never questioning my time off, never wondering what I was doing. I would tell them this is some of my requirements for the military, and I had total support from all the managers I've ever had. When I went to Iraq, I was gone for 17 months. They kept my job waiting for me. They did several other things that I really appreciated that I'm not sure every company would do. They supported my family completely, the medical benefits maintained while I was away. My leadership organized care packages they sent out to me. It was very much appreciated by my family and I, everything that they did for us.
Brage Garofalo has an important role managing a clinical program developing new cancer treatments. And her other passion within AbbVie is leading the Veterans ERG, the Employee Research Group for Vets.
Those who sign up to join the military absolutely have a call to service. They want to be part of something that's bigger than themselves. In the military, they're all focused on teams. It's we, it's not I, it's never I. And when they transition into a civilian role, in a corporate role at AbbVie, it's very similar because we are all working on diseases that are all bigger than ourselves. That really speaks to their call to service.
Mark Cox, like Jim North, a West Point graduate, brought into the company with a promising new career.
I was 18 and I was actually looking to go to school for biochemistry, and I realized how much college costs. For me, I knew as far as the career I wanted and purpose I wanted, the impact I wanted to make, it was a great option to be able to have that experience.
AbbVie's goal is to make a remarkable impact on people's lives, a goal easily embraced by those transitioning from military service.
We focus on the remarkable impact that we make on patients' lives, and as a part of that, we create support networks and policies to support employees in all aspects of their life.
AbbVie's employee resource groups bring together people with common interests and promote diversity and inclusion.
These resource groups actually invite all employees from different backgrounds and different environments to come together and share their perspectives and create an environment where all voices can be heard.
A key function of the ERGs is mentoring, to help new employees and to help employees in all stages of their careers work towards success.
We have an employee resource group that's focused on veterans. We have a mentor program, which is something that I participate in now.
The purpose and the mission of the Veterans ERG is really to support the veterans within the AbbVie community. We take the entire month of November and we focus on veterans within the AbbVie organization in the ERG and talk about what they did within their time of service and then how those skills translate into their current role at AbbVie.
AbbVie is committed to providing opportunities and rewarding careers in which veterans, active military members, and their spouses can prosper.
At an individual level, we're very good at really getting people to transition their skills and translate their skills to this company, so they really feel like they're making an impact every day, and they really are in really helping patients.
I can't think of a better reason to come to work than to work on something where you know that you're going to touch a patient and make a difference.
This is something that is a great opportunity. It's definitely something that you can be very successful at. You have a work ethic, you've been in the military, and if you've been successful in the military, you're going to be successful here. And I would highly encourage it because it's been a tremendous experience for me in the 27 years I've been with the company.